am about to eat a squid thing. Should I actually eat this, Dad? Dad, I'm gonna eat this. Not actually that bad. Well, strangest thing I've ever tasted, but still good.